Observation is the act of paying close attention to the world around us, without necessarily trying to analyze or judge what we are seeing. It is a powerful tool for gaining insight and understanding, and can help us to connect more deeply with the present moment. When we simply observe, we are able to be fully present in the moment, without the distractions and biases that can come from interpreting or analyzing what we are seeing. This can allow us to see things more clearly and objectively, and to gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the world around us. Observation can also help us to cultivate greater self-awareness, as we learn to observe our own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors with a curious and non-judgmental attitude. This can be particularly valuable in developing greater emotional intelligence, and in identifying patterns and tendencies that may be holding us back or causing us to suffer. Finally, observation can be a powerful tool for learning and growth, as we seek to understand the world around us and the people in it. By observing others with an open and curious mind, we can gain greater empathy and understanding, and develop more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Overall, simply observing the world around us can be a transformative practice, helping us to connect more deeply with the present moment, gain insight and understanding, and cultivate greater self-awareness and empathy.